Hello children, welcome back all of you. I hope you enjoy my video and just learn something from there. Okay, so we have just discussed our first chapter of class 5, importance of family. All important topic I have discussed here. So today we will do the exercise of this chapter. Yes, chapter number 1, importance of family. Our first question is question number A. Take the correct option. Okay. The first question is a type of family that includes only parents and their children is A. A option is joint family. Option number B is nuclear family. And C option is extended family. So our answer will be nuclear family. Okay. Next question is question number 2. To develop close bond among family members, we must share A option, love and affection. Option number B, jealousy. Option number C, hatred. Our first option number A is correct, love and affection. Yes, to develop close bond among family members, we must share love and affection. Right. Next question number 3. To motivate the younger members to excel, family should. Option number A, encourage. Option number B, appreciate. And option number C, both of them. Yes, children, their answer will be the both option. Option A and option B. Encourage as well as important, appreciate. Yes, so option number C will be correct. Both of them. Right? Okay. Next to the question number 4. The most important group of human being is. Yes, children. The most important group of human being is A option, family. B number, country. C number, union. So our correct option will be option number A, family. Right? And next and the last question of the A number. Question number 5. The first learning place for a child is. You all know that the answer I know very well. There are given the 3 options. A number, school. B option, family. And C number is the neighborhood. So you know the answer. Our answer will be family. Yes. Okay, children. So, yes, the first learning place for a child is family. Right? Okay, move to our next question. Question number B. Fill in the blanks. Okay, children. There is given the help box. So many words are there. We have to find the correct words and we have to do fill here. Okay. So first question is there. Family dash helps the sufferer to overcome difficulties. So what will be the correct words from the help box? There will be support. Yes. Family support help the sufferer to overcome from difficulties. Right. Next question is question number 2. All family members must participate in family dash. Find the correct option from here. Yes, activities. So here will be activities. All family members must participate in family activities. Understand, children? Yes. Number 3. The dash and dash for one another is the real strength of a family. Which one is the real strength of family? Find out from here. That is done. And that is done. The next one is love and care. So, the love and care for one another is the real strength of a family. Right? 4 number. Every member of the family must dash the different responsibilities. Correct option will be from here. Share. Yes, share. Every member of the family must share the different responsibilities. 5th number is there. Each family follows certain custom and last option is just left this one, tradition. So obviously it will be our answer. So each family follows certain custom and tradition. Right, children? So these are our fill in the blanks 1 to 5. Now move to our next question. That is the question number C. State true or false. We have to find out that statement is true or false. Okay. One number. The children cannot help the elders. That is true or false? Obviously, we should help the elders, na? Right. So it is the false. Second number. Each family follows same custom. No, it is wrong. Each family follow different custom. So it is the false. Okay. Number 3. Every person has a talent. That is true. Everyone have their own talent. So that statement is true. So that is true. Okay. Fourth number. Interaction develops strong bonds in a family. It is true or false, children? Yes, of course, it is true. Interaction develops very much strong bond in family members. Number 5. Care and appreciation are real strengths of a family. That is true or false? Yes, it is true. Okay, children? So, our next question is question number D. Answer briefly. Question number 1 is here. List 2 qualities that you admire in your mother or father. Here I am just giving the answer with your mother. The answer will be here. My mother is very caring and soft spoken. These 2 qualities of my mother I admire the most. So what is the 2 quality of your mother? That she is very caring and she is very soft spoken. So that you admire in her most. Okay. Question number 2 is here. List the qualities that make your mother or father the most special person in the world. So answer is here. The qualities that make my father the most special person in the world are his hardworking and honesty. Yes, father's hardworking and he is very honest. So these 2 qualities is very special person, make him very special person in the world. Question number 3 is there. Why does praise by family members make you happy? So answer is here, children. The praise by my family members make me happy as it gives me more strength to do my work with full devotion and joy. Question number 4. You have a family member who always criticizes you. How is that person related to you? Give one reason for her criticism. Okay, children? The answer will be there. My mother is a big critic of me. When I do not keep my belongings at proper place, she scold me for that. That is the answer. Yes, children. When we did not keep our things on place, our mother definitely she get scold us. Question number 5. Describe your reaction when your mother or father checks you for your behavior. Answer is here. I feel very sorry for my irresponsible behavior and try to rectify that. So children, that's all about today part 3. You have to just take one review of all these part 1, part 2 and part 3 of chapter number 1, importance of family. So that's all about this chapter. So we have done the explain all topics, we have done the all exercises, question answer, tick the correct option, filling the blanks, true false and question answer. So that's all about that. I hope you enjoy that and you will be continue your study also. So thank you very much, children. Stay home and stay safe. Bye-bye.